So this is our studio. I'm just gonna get the camera and then I'll walk with you. I like the mirror. I really like the mirror. And I like how you can do your OOTD right here, or maybe my suggest looks video. And then we have a perfect spot for all the clients. We have dark handbags, colorful things, and this is our studio working area. And the letters up, there's a wall of vintage bags here, and a nice photo corner. And it goes all the way up to our upstairs showroom. We call this a showroom because that's where our concept and idea comes from. Some jewelry counter, and then it's like a huge closet or maybe a huge showroom, I would say, with matching shoes, with outfits, a full closet of shoes, more bags, a nice couch. I know you want to come. Later I have a friend visiting us. Maybe we will shoot here and there. And then, yeah, this is my first vlog when we're finally really moved into the studio. So we were drinking and we felt all the red wines like right here. All the products are okay, but yeah, don't drink. My first time wearing it, it's all sign of red wine. And I felt the glass downstairs. It broke. 今天外面下雨了，然后好美好的感觉，外面是雨天，里面很安静，然后收到非常贴心的2个小礼物，拆开给大家看一下。味道可以，味道是很清香的味道，可以来闻，我就是一起闻一下。再看看这个的味道是 licorice。100黑。这个是很难吃的味道，给冬天